DJI has officially stepped out of the skies and onto the ground, and the entire camera industry just felt the shockwave. For years, we've known DJI as the king of drones, but now they're aiming straight at the giants of mirrorless photography. Sony, Canon, Nikon, they've all ruled this space for decades. But the question echoing across the tech world is simple. Can DJI really compete on their very first try? In today's deep dive on GadgetVerse, we're taking you inside everything DJI has secretly been building. From design to image quality, from stabilization to video performance, we're about to break it all down. Let's start with what everyone's talking about: autofocus and stabilization. DJI has poured its AI expertise into a brand new autofocusing system that locks onto subjects with surprising speed and accuracy. Eye tracking, object tracking, fast focusing, and bad lighting. This thing feels like it's reading your mind. And of course, DJI's world-renowned stabilization tech finally arrives in a handheld camera. Their new IBIS system offers up to 8 stops of stabilization, turning even a shaky walk into smooth cinematic footage. For sports shooters, travel vloggers, or filmmakers, this alone is a game changer. Now let's talk design. DJI's first mirrorless camera looks like a blend of modern minimalism and rugged pro build. The magnesium alloy body feels solid, but never heavy. The grip is sculpted perfectly, the buttons are logically placed, and the customizable dials give creators full control without digging through menus. It's weather-sealed too, signaling that DJI didn't build this for casual use. They built it for creators who work in rain, dust, and unpredictable environments. This is industrial design done right. Battery life is another interesting area. Early information suggests around 2 hours of 4K recording per charge, which is impressive for a first-gen model. USB-C, fast-charging, hot-swappable batteries, and a rumored modular grip mean long shooting days won't slow you down. DJI is also expected to release a set of accessories, ND filter kits, an optional EVF, battery extension packs, and full compatibility with Ronin gimbals. Basically, you're getting an entire ecosystem on day one. When it comes to video capabilities, filmmakers are going to be very happy. DJI's new camera reportedly shoots up to 6,000 resolution with high bit rates and professional-level codecs. Log and RAW recording give editors tons of flexibility for color grading. The footage looks rich, cinematic, and sharp, with DJI's signature color science making skin tones look natural and realistic. Rolling shutter is minimal, dynamic range is wide, and the overall quality feels like something built for creators who want pro-level results without carrying a cinema rig. At the heart of everything is DJI's newly developed full-frame sensor, engineered to deliver stunning stills and video. From bold colors to excellent low-light performance, the images this camera produces are crisp and detailed, even at high ISO. Highlights roll off smoothly, shadows retain texture, and the 10-bit video output adds a level of polish you normally expect from top-tier mirrorless cameras. For a first attempt, this sensor puts DJI in direct competition with some of the best players in the game. Now, it's the question everyone wants answered. When is it coming, and how much will it cost? DJI is expected to launch this camera in mid-2026, positioning it in the premium hybrid category right next to models like Sony's A7 IV and Panasonic's S5 II. And knowing DJI's pricing philosophy, it will likely offer more features at a more competitive price. That alone could make it one of the most disruptive camera releases in years. So what's the final verdict? DJI's first mirrorless camera isn't just another new gadget. It's a statement, a challenge, a sign that DJI is ready to reshape the future of creative imaging the same way they revolutionized aerial footage. With intelligent autofocus, powerful stabilization, a beautiful design, and pro-level video features, this camera stands as one of the most exciting upcoming releases in the photography world. Thank you for watching GadgetVerse. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and let us know what feature impressed you the most. And of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews, tech deep dives, and future-shaping gadgets. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay tuned with GadgetVerse.